In today's video, we are going to make a cinematic title reveal using DaVinci Resolve. Once you are in DaVinci Resolve, open the Effects menu by clicking the Effects button on the top left corner. Then find Titles section and drag the Text Plus effect into the timeline. Make sure it is Text Plus, because we cannot apply animation on text. By default, the title will last 5 seconds. You can make it as long as you want. Select the text effect. Open the Inspector menu by clicking the Inspector icon on the top right corner, and change the text to whatever you want. Before we start with the animation, let's style the text a little bit. I'm going to use Arial font. You can use any font you wish. Change the size of the text using this slider to make it look nice, and I'm going to tweak the spacing between the letters using this tracking slider and adjust the title just above center. Now let's continue with Cinematic Title Reveal. Go to the Fusion page and click Shift plus Space to open the Effects panel. Search for Mirror Effect and click on Add button. Make sure the effect is merged between the nodes. Again, go to the Inspector menu, change the angle to 90 degrees. Then click on Start of the timeline and change the Y position until the text is completely gone. You can create a keyframe for that value by clicking on this small diamond. Now go to the end of your clip and change the position again to reveal the mirrored title separating from original text. The keyframe is automatically placed here. Next thing, we are going to create a mask on the text clip. This mask will eventually remove the mirrored text when it animates outside of the mask. Click on this to create a mask, and adjust it to display only the original text. And increase the soft edge to get the nice and soft reflection while it animates away.